researcher or an academic?
Hi.
No,
How are you?
I'm good. Hi.
Welcome.
Hi, is this your stand?
This is the Center for Black Literature and Migrant Everest College.
I'm a YouTuber, so if you don't mind being on camera.
Well, if you'd like to talk to our executive director.
Oh, it's for researchers. Yeah, I work in the City Tech Library on J Street, and we have a special collection of science fiction titles and periodicals.
How are you?
I'm good.
I'm sorry, so sunny.
It's okay. So I'm here to support. I love stuff like this. So
We definitely join our mailing list.
hey guys, so this is my little take because I'm using my vlogging camera today. I forgot how to work it. So anyway guys, Brooklyn Book Festival 2023. So I'm out here. I've been out here maybe 30 minutes. I saw the hip hop panel, like a brief. Already got a book. It's a nonfiction. And I'm walking around a little bit, but to be honest with you, I'm here for Roxanne Gay, Colson Whitehead, and I do want to see Brandon Taylor, but he's at the same time as Roxanne Gay, which is a no for me. So right now I am going to just walk around a little and then go to my first panel at 1:30, I think. But I'm using this to see what's going on and where things are located. But it's a good turnout this year. You know, last year was a disaster with the storm. But yeah, so I will drop in every so often and hopefully I can get enough footage to make a good video this year. So yeah, here we go.
And I've been thinking a lot about how we make this intimate, how we make this a little special. So first I'm going to ask you, I'm going to ask Colson because honestly we're both authors, we have books here, but I am taking this opportunity to just pry into everything Colson is doing, and that's how we're going to conduct this event. So I hope you'll all bear with me as we just interrogate Colson together. And I was hoping that maybe you could read a little something to kick us off. Colson doesn't need so much introduction perhaps as some other authors, but obviously is a two-time Pulitzer winner and the author of many fabulous novels, and most recently it's Crooked Manifesto, which is kind of probably most of you know it, but it's a crooked retelling of modern New York history, and so we get the privilege of being here at the Brooklyn Book Festival with him, and I'm going to begin by asking you to read a little something for us.
Yeah, thanks so much. We've talked before, and so it was a great pleasure, and it's always nice to be part of the Brooklyn Book Festival. I believe it's been 18 years, it seems. Pretty horrifying, but I'm glad that it's still thriving, and we're all still here, I guess. So I'm going to read a bit from Crooked Manifesto, a brief bit. And this section stars the character named Pepper. Pepper was a supporting player in Harlem Shuffle, and here he gets his own caper. The two books are divided into three sections, three different sort of robberies, capers. And in this section, Pepper becomes an unlikely private investigator.
Alright guys, so Colson Whitehead was amazing. So I'll talk more about him. I love how he talks about his writing style. But guys, I am rushing because I really want to get into Roxanne Gay's panel. So I got like 20 minutes. And I already know it's going to be a line. But I'm not sure how big that room is. So I'm sprinting guys. So yeah.
Beginning again and starting anew. So when you say begin again, what do you mean by that?
I think what I mean by that is we begin the story that we're telling ourselves again. And there is a naive, possibly.
Library. The Jay-Z stuff is still up there.
Oh wow.
The whole library is decked out in everything Jay-Z, like the whole library is decked out in everything Jay-Z, and you can get them.
Nice.
You can get them.
So I love sort of, my other books have been much more sort of traveling and tons of settings and all about interacting with the outside world, big
Yeah, of course.
Like a good first draft, the first sentence, paragraph.
Yeah.
then you can get going.
My name is Carol Mitchell. I'm from the island of St. Kitts Nevis, and I'm the author of What Started Bad Morning. It's a story about a woman named Amaya who has had a traumatic experience when she was 18, and she's buried all those memories because who wants to think about that, right? And when she's in her 40s, something happens and triggers her remembering these things, and it all kind of comes back to her until the exciting end when you discover what the traumatic event was. So read the book, enjoy it, tag me on Instagram at Writes with Carol, and I hope to hear from you soon.
So guys, it is the end of Brooklyn Book Festival 2023. Had a wonderful time. Highs with Paulson hosted, Paulson Whitehead getting my book signed. Also Roxanne Gay, even though she didn't come out to sign, she's forgiven though, but she didn't sign. Brandon Taylor, and just, you know, being around, I just saw Miriam, the author of What's Thunder, What Storm, or What Storm, What Thunder. I always get it mixed up. She was so sweet, and I looked at her and I was like, wait a minute, that is her, even though she was just out here as a regular person like me, just walking around. And so it was nice seeing her as well. And then, of course, my girls. Yes, you know, when you meet up with some bookstagrammers. So yeah, I'm gonna end this here, and yeah, this was a great experience this year. It felt like old school back in the days. I have a little book event on Tuesday, and wish that author was here as well, but I left all the goodies at home, so I will see her on Tuesday. But yeah, guys, so thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next event. Bye!
It is publishing. Your shirt is fucking great, and it's really an appropriate thing to wear here. Yes. It's like so good.
Oh my god.
No, I swore I wasn't going to buy no books. I said I'm just going to get the books.